This is the new PolyScience Toolbox iPhone and iPad application for sous vide cooking. With this, you can precisely calculate the thermal conductivity of a wide range of proteins. You easily set the type of protein you wish to cook, the shape of the product, steak, medallion, cylinder, etc., and the thickness of the product. You then can select if you'd like to pasteurize to surface, pasteurize to core, or simply bring the product to temperature. I'll select pasteurized surface. The next thing you would select would be the level of doneness you would like. I typically choose 136 for beef. You'll notice it's calculating immediately when I put an entry in. It defaults to an initial temperature of 41 degrees, a typical refrigerator temperature. I then can choose the water temperature that I will cook with. One interesting point is that if I simply raise the temperature 1 degree beyond my desired finish temperature, it shortens cooking time dramatically. This is because there's very little delta T or temperature differential between the bath and the last half a degree or so of the cook process. I can then add time for tenderness. And with this, I could add time as may be needed for secondary cuts, skirt steak or short ribs, where I want to add maybe up to 72 hours of cook time. I can then turn on or off an ice bath chilling process. I can select the type of equipment, whether it's a PolyScience immersion circulator or even a generic non-stirred bath. Once I've entered the parameters, I start cooking. The indicator or chart will show you exactly where you are in the cook process and count down and give you a visual and audible notification of when your cook process is done. What you see is the curve of the temperature of the core of the product, so you'll know exactly what the core temperature is. The dotted lines give you an indication of log reduction of pathogens of E. coli, Listeria, and Salmonella. The solid colored lines give you an indication of log reduction of pathogens at the core. You also have a full cooking journal to show you exactly what's happened during this cook process. We feel the PolyScience Sous Vide Toolbox will demystify sous vide cooking. It will give chefs the ability to very accurately predict the time to cook, and also it will give enhanced safety, because now you'll know exactly when things have reached temperature and you'll have greater insights to log reduction of pathogens.